All right, front left locking hub right here. Barely any noise. Passenger side locking hub. Sounds pretty bad. Front passenger side hub. Right here, hub assembly. Almost no noise. And the driver side. Not too great. Rotors, hard to tell. Let's see if I can, yeah. I'm using the drill for a light here. Worn pretty smooth, not much of a lip. Looks like a lot of life on there left. I don't know. One of them, I forget which one, looked like it was spinning pretty lopsided. I haven't done any testing to these guys yet. Here's the passenger side. Worn pretty evenly on both sides, as far as I can tell. Also, barely any lip on the top. So it doesn't look like there was one exact problem here.